Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this edgy hairstyle on chains hack on Dress to Impress. No VIP needed for this one, so let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove the hair for this one. If you want a tutorial on the full outfit, just let me know. Okay. For the hair, we're going to use the bow hair, the twin bow hair, this one, and no bangs. Color it whatever color you want. I'm just going to color mine this color. Then you're going to use these pigtails, if I can just find them. Oh, it's here. Sorry, it took so long. Select the second toggle and then select this. Well, select any color you'd wish to use, and then for the adjustments on this one, Y.004, like here, Z at 0.41, and scale it all the way to 1. Then for the bangs, you can use any bangs you like. I'm just going to use this one. Again, you can use any bangs you want for this. Then for the chains, you're going to select these hoop earrings, the ones that's on the left, and color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to use the metallic gray for this. Position the Y at 0.80 and scale it all the way to 0.99. Then you're going to get the smaller hoop earrings. I'm just going to choose the same color for this. And then position it at Y.63. Rotate it at 0.55 for the X rotation. And scale it all the way to 0.97. Then we're going to get these like bloody earrings. And again, color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to color mine gray and red. Then I'm going to position the Y-axis at 0.53, the Z at 0.48, and then scale it to 0.96. Get the pearl earrings, pom-pom earrings, I don't know what you call them. I'm just going to color it in the same red as the earrings, and then position it at Y.49 for the Y-axis, and scale it all the way to 0.94. Then we are going to get these bows here. Color it whatever color. I'm just going to again color it red, same as the earrings that I have on. Y at 0, Z at 0.61, and scale it to 0.97. And that is it. That is how you can create this chain hairstyle on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.